Why do we look for x? Mathematically speaking, we are actually looking for the value of the unknown quantity. Most mathematicians and teachers in mathematics use the variable x to mean the quantity that is missing. We can actually assign any letter in the alphabet, but x is just so popular. What is really x and how could we apply this in real life? Now, think of x as a member or part of a family. Biblically speaking, the prodigal son is part of the family, and his father was waiting and looking for him for too long. He was lost and has been found. In the same manner, the X is part of the family of numbers, and we really need to look for it to complete the family. Take, for example, 1 plus 4 equals 5. This is a family of numbers 1, 4, and 5. You could also say 5 minus 4 equals 1, and many more. So clearly, this is a family of numbers. So do you now know why do we look for x? If you have some questions in mind, hurry, type it down. I would love to read it in the comment section and maybe answer it in the next video. This is the living reality. Bye bye.